Financial paper number 2 of 2022, totaling $2.9 billion, was first debated in the National Assembly on Monday and was later passed. The $2.9 billion covered expenses from August 15, 2022 to November 29, 2022. Under this sum, $1.7 billion was approved for additional resources to support the Linden Electricity Company, while $54.1 million went to the Ministry of Amerindian Affairs for the hosting of the 2022 National Tushaus Council Conference and the 2022 Amerindian Heritage Month activities. As for the Ministry of Agriculture, $740 million was granted for urgent drainage works, while the Ministry of Natural Resources received $360 million for the payment of issuance fees for forest carbon credits. Lastly, on financial paper number 2 of 2022, $50.5 million was approved to support the Ministry of Home Affairs in procuring a DNA analysis. At the time of this report, financial paper number 3 of 2022 was being debated. This supplementary provision, which is pegged at a whopping $44 billion, is for the period ending December 31st, 2022. Over $11 million was approved for the Office for Investment Go Invest to expand its programs, while a massive $1.3 billion went to the Prime Minister's office to offset hike in fuel prices at several electricity companies. Furthermore, $6.6 billion was approved to pay electricity arrears to the Guyana Power and Light GPL. Another $1 billion was also approved for the Guyana Sugar Corporation Gaisuku, and $2 billion for the National Drainage and Irrigation Authority. Lawmakers would continue to debate other estimates throughout Monday afternoon and into the evening. Reporting for 8 GP Nightly News, Shemar Alleyne.